Alrighty, I have my old Isuzu Trooper, 1989. The seat stopped working, the safety mechanism on it. So we are going to show you today how to fix it, because it's missing a bar. Alrighty, so the tools I'm going to use. I used an old metal hanger with a pair of pliers, and yep, we're going to get to work. We're going to basically make a crossbar. Okay, so, right, this is the lever. You can see it opens up that one, but the latch over here, let's see if I can get the focus. The latch over here is missing a crossbar that runs across. The only reason I know that this was here is because in the other seat, it was there. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically take a bar, attach it from one end to the other, and it's going to work. Yeah. Basically, I'm taking the bar here, and I'm just going to straighten it out so that it makes it nice and straight. That's going to hoop in. And I'm going to just straighten this guy out and then tinker with it and see what it comes up with it. So, as a full disclaimer, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just tinkering with the car. It's an old guy. You know, these metal bars, sometimes they cost a little couple of extra dollars. But it's realistically it's just a metal bar, so I'm just gonna replace it real quick. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so tinkered with it, and we have this kind of bar here. So let's go under here. Give me a second. Let me so you guys can see what happened. It's a little dark in here, so you guys can't really see it. Okay, so over in here there is an actual, let's get the focus. So in here there's an actual little metal bar that sits right on the inside here. So slide that through there, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna close that so that way it goes through. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this metal bar and it's gonna go through to the other side, and it's gonna loop into this small little hole right here, so that way it can go right in, and then when one lever pulls, the other one goes. So if I don't know if you guys can really see it that well. Let's see. See if we get the focus. There you go. So you go through here. So I'm gonna just close this down, and now you see that it has the crossbar. Oh, let's see. There's a crossbar running through it, and hopefully one pulls, the one lifts, and it can move up and down. So yeah, quick little fix, a little tinkering. We're good to go. Okay, so this is, you know, just as a heads up, this is my project car. And yeah, we're gonna have a whole bunch of other kind of projects kind of happening here. I intend on redoing the seats myself. The radio did need some work, but I never really recorded it. I might maybe install a radio, and eventually I'm gonna get a friend to come and help me and kind of figure out this rust situation, because as you can see, got a little rust issues. So I kind of have an idea of how to take it off, but if people have suggestions, by all means please let me know, because that's the next project. Anyway, till next time guys.